Hello students, good morning. I am Ankeja from APS. As we know that the running topic is the lost child, and we have understood a lot of meaning, a lot of circumstances about that boy, about that little boy, one who lost in the fair. And we have also studied the behavior of the parents and the boy, one who wants to see each and everything whenever he used to look in the show. So this was the greediness and wants of the boy, but his father refused always, his mother refused always, and tried to ignore it. So great disaster in front of him, and finally he told to his parents after looking roundwards because he wants to swing on it. So he told his parents, I want to swing on it. Bold request he had made. Please, father and mother. There was no reply. He couldn't find any kind of reply, any kind of answer. He turned to look at his parents. They were not there. But as he turned at that time all around near the roundabout, he got his parents are not there, and he turned to look on either side, and at the same time he turned himself on either side, but he couldn't find them. They were not there, and he looked behind. There was no sign of them. But finally he looked behind, but there were no sign of them. It means his parents was not there. A full deep cry rose within his right throat, and with a sudden jerk of his body he ran from where he stood. He lost his skills because too little child, and he was very fearful, so began to cry. He ran from where he stood, but crying in real fear. Crying in real fear, you have looked in your locality whenever the little child lost his way. At that time he goes on crying, he goes on weeping, and the people of the society who is very nearer to him asked himself, what is your name and what's your father's name and what's your village name. So this kind of information the people wants to collect, but here the boy lost already himself in a fair, and he became so nervous and began to cry. Mother, father, tears rolled down from his eyes. Hot and fierce, his flushed face was convulsed with fear. Panic-stricken, he ran to one side first, then the other, hither and thither, in all directions, knowing now not where to go. Mother, father, he wailed. Wail means crying loudly, weeping loudly, and searching to his parents where you were. But he couldn't find his parents. Hither and thither, that means here and there. His yellow turban came united and untied, and his clothes became muddy. Having run to and fro in a rage of running for a while, he stood defeated. वह हार करके थक करके जब सर्च कर लिया तो वह क्या हो गया? खड़ा हो गया. Stood defeated. That means he couldn't find, he couldn't search his parents, and finally he was defeated. His cries surfaced into sobs. Sobs means, in a previous class I have discussed also, sobs means सिसकियाँ लेना. Sobs means सिसकियाँ लेना. Okay? So, he cries suppressed into sobs. At little distances on the green grass, he could see through his filmy eyes. Filmy eyes means full of tears. Full of tears, man and woman talking. He saw at some distance man and woman talking on the green grass. Through his filmy eyes, man and woman talking, he tried to look intently. He looked intently, carefully among the patches of bright yellow clothes, जो कि येलो क्लॉथ्स पहने हुए थे. But there was no sign of his father and mother. At present and at that time, there was no sign of his mother and father among these people. इस बीच में भी वहाँ पर उसके मम्मी पापा नहीं थे. Who seemed to laugh and talk just for the sake of laughing and talking. They were laughing, they were talking. He ran quickly again, this time to a scene to which people seemed to be crowding. Now he was in a crowded place. Every little inch of space here was congested with men. बहुत सारे लोग बाग भरे हुए थे. But he ran through people's leg. But it doesn't matter because he was searching his parents. So it doesn't matter, it doesn't vary. And his little sob lingering mother, father near the entrance of the temple. However, the crowd became very thick. Thick means घना. जब भीड़ बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती थी. Men jostled each other, एक दूसरे के ऊपर धक्का मुक्की करते थे. Heavy men with flashing murderous eyes and hefty soldiers. Hefty soldiers means a lot of strong soldiers. The poor child struggled to thrust away between their feet, but knocked to and fro by their brutal movements, he might have been trampled up underfoot had he not shrieked at the highest pitch of his voice father, mother. उसी में छोटा बच्चा को कौन देखता है, आदमी की धक्का मुक्की हो रही है, लेकिन वह आवाज़ लगाना नहीं छोड़ता है. He was telling father, mother because he was searching his parents. At that time, at the same time, a man in the surging crowd heard his cries. मतलब उसके आवाज़ को एक इंसान ने, एक आदमी ने सुन लिया. And stooping with great difficulty, वह आदमी जो है सो किसी तरह से उसे नीचे से उठाया. Lifted him up in his arms, मतलब अपने बाहों में उसको उठा लिया. How do you get here, child? And he asked कि बच्चा तुम यहाँ कैसे पहुँच गए, कैसे आए हो? Whose baby are you? तुम किसके बच्चे हो? Now want to know that man, whose baby are you? The man asked as he steered clear of the mass. उस बच्चे को उस भीड़ में से वो क्लियर करते हुए ले गया. द चाइल्ड वेप्ट मोर बिटरली देन एवर नाउ एंड ओनली क्राइड. बच्चा जो है सो अब बहुत ही बुरी तरह रो रहा है. अभी तक जैसे रोया था, जितना रोया था उससे भी ज़्यादा बुरी हालत है उसकी. नाउ एंड ओनली क्राइड, और सिर्फ वह रो ही रहा है. आई वॉन्ट माई मदर, आई वॉन्ट माई फादर. And he told, and he wanted to say, I want my mother, I want my father, because it's the reaction of the little child. The man tried to soothe him by taking him to the round boat. Will you have a ride on the horse? He gently asked as he approached the ring. The child's throat tore into 1,000 sobs, and he only shouted, I want my mother, I want my father. To see the circumstances and bad passage and the bad condition of the little child, the gentleman tried to soothe him by taking him to round boat. तो वह इंसान चाहता है कि इस बच्चा को जो है सो राउंड बोट के ऊपर में कम से कम स्विंग करा दें, चढ़ा दें. विल यू हैव अ राइड ऑन द हॉर्स? क्या तुम कभी हॉर्स के ऊपर चढ़े हो, या चढ़ोगे? ही जेंटली आस्क्ड एज ही अप्रोच द रिंग, और द चाइल्ड्स थ्रोट टोर इनटू 1,000 sobs एंड ओनली शॉटेड. बच्चा सिर्फ चिल्ला ही रहा था, I want my mother, I want my father. So वह इंसान जो बच्चे को उठाया था उस भीड़ में, उस मंदिर के भीड़ से, वह बच्चे को जो है सो चुप करना चाहता है. वह चाहता है बच्चा कम से कम खुश हो जाए स्विंग पे चढ़ने के बाद भी. फिर वह तरह तरह की बातें कहता है, क्या तुम घोड़े पर चढ़े हो? लेकिन there is no any impact on the boy, and according to the circumstances of the boys, and only he used to tell, I want my mother, I want my father. मैं सिर्फ अपने मम्मी को, मैं अपने पापा को जो है सो चाहता हूँ, और मिलना चाहता हूँ अपने मम्मी से, अपने पापा से, because I have already lost them. The man headed towards the place where the snake charmer still played on the flute to the swing cobra. Listen to that nice music, child. Once again the man headed the place, that means went to the place where the snake charmer still played on the flute to the swing cobra. मतलब स्विंग कोबरा मीन्स जो फन उठा करके कोबरा बैठा हुआ था उस क्यों बैठा था? फ्लूट की आवाज़ पे। बिकॉज द स्नैक लाइक इट मोस्ट। ओके, सो swing cobra listened to that nice music child, and the gentleman wants to tell to the child what a nice music it is. So listen to that nice music. Listen to that nice music. That means वो बच्चा वो क्या करता है कि बच्चा को खुश लाना चाहता है। वो इंसान जो किसी तरह से ये अपने मम्मी पापा को भूल जाए, किसी तरह से अपने मम्मी पापा को क्या करे, भूल जाए। लिसन टू दैट नाइस म्यूजिक चाइल्ड, ही प्लीडेड, ही टोल्ड, दैट मीन्स ही प्लीडेड मीन्स, बट द चाइल्ड शट हिज ईयर्स विद हिज फिंगर्स एंड शॉर्टेड हिज डबल पिच स्ट्रेन। लेकिन बच्चा क्या करता है, अपने कान को जो है सो अपने उंगली के द्वारा क्या करता है, मून लेता है, बंद कर देता है। ओके, एंड शॉर्टेड हिज डबल वॉइस स्ट्रेन, पिच्ड स्ट्रेन मीन्स वॉइस, लाउडली, और जोर से चिल्लाता है, आई वॉन्ट माई मदर, आई वॉन्ट माई फादर। दिस वॉज द डिमांड्स एंड दिस वॉज द डिजायर ऑफ दैट चाइल्ड। Okay, I want my mother, I want my father. The man took him near the balloons, thinking the bright colors of the balloons would distract the child's attention and quieten him. Now, the man took him near the balloons, thinking the bright colors of the balloons would distract the child's attentions and quieten हिम। मतलब क्या, अब वो बैलून वाला के पास 1 सेकेंड बच्चे को ले जाता है। वह सोचता है कि बच्चा रंग बिरंगी बैलून देख करके बच्चा चुप हो जाएगा, बच्चा का ध्यान बट जाएगा। वुड यू लाइक अ रेनबो कलर्ड बैलून? द मैन आस्क्ड टू द चाइल्ड, लिटिल चाइल्ड, वुड यू लाइक अ रेनबो कलर्ड बैलून? क्या तुम रेनबो की कलर का जो है सो बैलून पसंद करते हो? ही परसुएसिवली आस्क्ड, बहुत ही जो है सो रिस्पेक्टेड वॉइस में उसने पूछा। द चाइल्ड टर्न्ड हिज आइज फ्रॉम द फ्लाइंग बैलून एंड जस्ट सॉफ्ड, आई वॉन्ट माई मदर, आई वॉन्ट माई फादर। बच्चा जो है सो फ्लाइंग बैलून्स के ऊपर से नज़र को हटा लेता है और सिसकियाँ भरने लगता है। एंड टोल्ड एंड इंडिकेट, आई वॉन्ट माई मदर, आई वॉन्ट माई फादर, कि मैं अपने मम्मी को, अपने पापा को ही चाहता हूँ। द मैन स्टिल ट्राइंग टू मेक द चाइल्ड हैप्पी, वह इंसान जो मंदिर के भीड़ से इस बच्चे को उठाया था, वह इंसान अभी भी, वह आदमी अभी भी बच्चा को खुश करने की कोशिश कर रहा है। Bore him to the gate where the flower seller sat. Look, can you smell those nice flowers? वह बच्चा को गेट के पास लेकर के जाता है जहाँ जो है सब फ्लावर सेलर बैठे हुए रहते हैं, क्या करने के लिए, फूल बेचने के लिए। Once again he told, can you smell those nice flowers, child? क्या तुम यह बढ़िया सा फ्लावर को जो है सो सूंघ सकते हो? वुड यू लाइक अ गार्लैंड टू पुट राउंड योर नेक? तुम गार्लैंड मीन्स माला, नेकलेस। ओके, बट हेयर गार्लैंड यू हैव टू यूज बिकॉज नेकलेस इन द पार्ट ऑफ फीमेल वी यूज। सो वुड यू लाइक अ गार्लैंड, क्या तुम माला पसंद करते हो? टू पुट राउंड योर नेक, अपने गर्दन में माला पहनना पसंद करते हो? दैट वाज द question of the gentleman. The child turned his nose away from the basket and reiterated his sob, I want my mother, I want my father. बच्चा जो है सो एक बार फिर अपने नाक को सिकोड़ता है, उस बास्केट पर से अपने ध्यान को हटाता है। एंड अगेन सोबिंग, वंस अगेन सोबिंग, और सिसकियाँ फिर से भरने लगता है। एंड वंस अगेन डिमांडिंग एंड want to give the information of that gentle person, of that gentleman. I want my father only, I want my mother only. Thinking to humor his disconsolate charge by a gift of sweets, the man took him to the counter of the sweet shop. And now the final decision, the gentleman wants to take and wants to play with the boy, with the little boy, and once again he wants to gift of sweets. The man took him to the counter of the sweet shop के मिठाई के दुकान के नज़दीक उस बच्चा को ले जाता है. व्हाट स्वीट्स वुड यू लाइक चाइल्ड. चाइल्ड से क्वेश्चन किया जाता है, क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं वो जेंटलमैन कि किस तरह की मिठाई तुम पसंद करते हो या कौन सा मिठाई तुम्हें पसंद है. द चाइल्ड टर्न्ड हिज फेस फ्रॉम द स्वीट शॉप एंड ओनली सॉफ्ड. और बच्चा फिर भी जो है सो नहीं मानता है, अपने फेस को स्वीट शॉप के ऊपर से हटा लेता है, मतलब अपना ध्यान दूसरे तरफ कर देता है और सिर्फ रोता है, सिर्फ सिसकियाँ भरता है. एंड वंस अगेन he told and wants to give the information to the kind-hearted man. I want my mother, I want my father. So this was the story of the lost child, and you have already studied about the demand of the little child whenever he lost himself in the village fair. There he faced a lot of trouble, a lot of problem. He tried to search his father and his mother, but he couldn't find them. And finally, a man lifted him in the crowd of the temple courtyard and on the gate of the temple. And after that, a lot of great reaction, a lot of kind behavior provided by the gentleman, but he used to refuse. He kept on refusing all those things. But on the other hand, you have studied all those things which is refused by him. He used to demand it from his mother and father, but on the second part, when he lost himself, he couldn't demand those kinds of things from the gentleman, but the gentleman always tried to make out the boys, please take it, it is too interesting and too attractive, and you can play, you can swing on the round boat. And near the snack charmer, he also pleaded the little child. And on the corner, on the shop of sweet, he also refused the sweets and demanding once again, I want my mother and I want my father. So great story, and the great lamentation described by Mulk Raj Anand as a little boy, and how little boy reacts his behavior in front of the gentleman, and how the little boy demands the toys, the sweets, and how he wants to go on round boat, and how his father and mother refused those kind of activities that disgraced to the little boy, and all of a sudden he lost himself in fear and searching his father and mother but couldn't find. And finally the gentleman tried to make out him, but he couldn't understand the behavior and the reaction of and the activity of the gentleman, and finally and once again he demanded and he told, I want only my father and my mother. So this chapter is already finished, and 5 questions are given in page number 6, and I mean to say as a homework you will have to do it, and you will have to write it, and it is your homework and have to do it. Okay, thanks.